You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of these motorsport or Motorsport, as the Germans would say. It's a German or Swiss, actually it's Swiss team, but based in the German-speaking part of Switzerland. So it's German pronunciation. Sauber is how it's pronounced in German, okay? But in English it's normally pronounced as Sauber, so it's not sober. We hope they're sober, but it's Sauber in English, Sauber in German. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.